Your save button just silently dropped a user's data, no error in the console, no failed request in Sentry, just gone. Most Angular developers default to switchMap for everything async. Search bars, HTTP calls, NgRx effects, switchMap everywhere. And for reads, that's fine. But there's one scenario where switchMap silently destroys your app. You'll see exactly how it happens, why, in the one-line fix. Plus, stick around, I'll show you a fourth operator that prevents double submit bugs without a single loading flag. Here's a standard NgRx effect. The user clicks save and switchMap flattens the HTTP post. Looks clean, passes every unit test. But in production, when a user clicks save twice quickly, and they always do on slow connections, this effect has a critical flaw. When the user clicks save, then clicks again before the first request completes, switchMap cancels the first in-flight post. The server never commits that data. No error, no retry, just silent data loss in production. This is the right bug, and it ships in more Angular apps than you'd think. Look at the Network tab. The first save shows status canceled. The server never processed it. Your user's data vanished between clicks, and the worst part, your error tracking won't catch this because switchMap doesn't throw, it just unsubscribes. Here's what switchMap does internally. Each new emission unsubscribes from the previous inner observable. For a search bar, that's exactly right. Cancel the stale query, show the latest results. But for writes, each emission kills a pending save. Each canceled save is data that never reaches your server. The fix is one word: replace switchMap with concatMap. ConcatMap queues each inner observable. The second save waits until the first finishes. Both requests complete in order. Zero data loss. One word change. Production critical difference. Here's the production-ready effect. concatMap queues every save, and critically, catchError lives inside the concatMap pipe, not outside. If one save fails, a failure action dispatches, but the stream stays alive for the next action. This is the exact pattern NgRx/platform uses in their official workshops. Where you place catchError changes everything. Outside the flattening operator, the entire NgRx effect dies on the first error. Every future action is silently ignored. Inside the inner pipe, only that request fails. The stream stays alive for the next dispatch. Remember this rule: catchError always goes inside the inner pipe. Outside kills your effect permanently. Inside keeps it alive for every future action. SwitchMap is correct for reads, search bars, route param changes, filter dropdowns, anywhere you only want the latest result. Combine it with debounce time and distinct until changed. This is the canonical search pattern, and SwitchMap is exactly the right operator here. But what if your requests are truly independent and order doesn't matter? That's where the third operator comes in. mergeMap runs all inner observables concurrently. No queuing, no cancellation, every request fires immediately. Use it for parallel entity loads, fire and forget analytics, or batch uploads with a concurrency limit. The second argument controls how many run at once. Here's the decision tree that eliminates guessing. Is it a read or search? Use switchMap, cancel stale requests. Is it a write or mutation? Use concatMap, queue everything, lose nothing. Are the tasks independent with no ordering? Use mergeMap, run them all in parallel. And need to prevent spam clicks on a submit button? That's the bonus I promised. Before you ship, run through this checklist. catchError inside every inner pipe. concatMap on all write effects, save, update, delete. SwitchMap only on reads and search. TypeScript generics on every HTTP client call, and take until destroyed on component-level streams. Earlier, I promised a fourth operator. exhaustMap ignores all new emissions while the current one is still running. Click Submit, the request fires. Click again while it's pending, nothing happens. No duplicate submissions, no loading flag boilerplate. This is the operator most Angular developers have never heard of. Use exhaustMap on login forms, payment buttons, checkout flows, any action where duplicates cause real damage. It's the simplest concurrency guard in RxJS. One operator replaces your loading flag, your disabled button, and your debounce hack. 4 operators, 4 rules, no more guessing. If this saved you from shipping the right bug, hit subscribe for more production Angular patterns. Drop a comment with which operator surprised you most.